Next problem, the input power to an optical fiber is 2 milliwatts. Milli means 10 to the power of minus 3 watts. Milliwatts will convert into watts, 10 to the power of minus 3 watts. Next, while the power is measured at the output end is what is the value? 2 microwatts. If the fiber attenuation is 0.5 dB per kilometer, so calculate the length of the formula. So from the above statement we can observe what is the given data. So the given data is the input power of optical fiber, and input power is given 2 milliwatts. So input power is nothing but the P of 0. So P of 0 is given 2 milliwatts. Milliwatts will be converted into normal watts with 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 watts. So that is the standard form. So similarly, what will be given? While the power measured at the output end, output power is also is given. P of Z is equal to microwatts. So the microwatts will be converted, watts means micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So next one, what is the what is given? If the fiber attenuation is alpha is equal 0.5 dB per kilometer. So what is the standard formula? In standard formula is alpha is equal to 10 into 1 by z okay na, log of P of 0 by P of P of Z. Okay na? So what will we calculate? Calculate the Z. So what is the Z? Z must be calculated in the problem. Okay na? So you know the value of alpha. Directly substitute. What is the alpha? Alpha is equal to 0.5. Okay na? So that is equal to 10 by, what is the Z value? Calculate the Z value only. Z value I don't know. Z into what is the logarithmic of P of 0 by P of Z. What is the P of 0 value is 10 to the power of logarithmic of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by, what is the P of Z? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay na? So 2 cancel. What is the value? 1. So here will be 1 by 10 to the power of minus 6. Here we will be taking the numerator side, that will be 10 to the power of plus 6. So bases are equal, then powers will be added. Minus 3 plus 6 is equal to again plus 3. Okay na? So what is the value? So you must calculate the 10 by Z log of 1000.
You have 5 minutes remaining.
Log of 1000. So what is the value of log of 1000? So log of 1000 is nothing but a 3. Okay na? So what is the final value? 0.5, that is equal to 10 by Z into 3. Na? So what is the value? 30. Na? Therefore Z is equal to, what is the final value? Therefore Z is equal to 300 by 5. Okay na? So I will write 0.5 in the normal value. So how many times cancel? 60 times cancel. So finally what is the value? Z is equal to 60 kilometers. Therefore the length of the fiber is 60 kilometers. Therefore the length of the fiber is 60 kilometers.